So today this is the audience meet on 24th October 2025. There are many shops and also entertainment shops have come. All Mela, that is in Tumlu, all Mela will end and our Mela will start. Our Mela will start from today.
ব্রেক ড্যান্সে যাবে মেলার সময়।
In the field there are Barwari, and also this year Barwari is not giant or anything. This year about Pauranik Kahini. So in Matangiri decoration is progressing. See you in the next video. This is today's audience meet on 24th October 2025.